everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a video on how to make a mandala. For mandala art, you need a compass, pencil, pen, scale and protractor. Start drawing circle from the center of your paper. You can draw any number of circles. Just draw random circle. Now divide the circle into 4 parts. By using a protractor, separate the circle by 10 degrees. Now connect the dot to the center of the circle. To draw mandala, you don't need to be a professional artist. Encourage everyone to do it who is in stress out. So, the grid is now ready. Now see some of the basic shape of mandala. In the next video, I will discuss how to fill the grid by using different patterns.